Hey lovelies, welcome back. Madam Sophie here again to do another review on this Profusion Cosmetics Highlight and Contour Palette. This is a 6 highlight and contour palette that I purchased at my local Target for less than $10. I believe this cost $4.99. That was the price I paid for it. I don't know if it's cheaper, but it seemed to be very convincing, so I purchased it. And today we're going to put this palette to the test. So if you'd like to see the swatches, the palette performance, and so on, please stay tuned. If you're new to the Madam Sophie channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be part of the Sophia squad. You got to be part of the Sophia squad because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Okay, so let's jump right into the tutorial. With the color Devoted. This is the color I'm going to use first, and then I'm going to transition into the other colors. The color Passion up here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this color. This is called Baked. I'm gonna use this color more towards the contour part of my face because it's more on a bronzy side. So I'm gonna use that just below the contour area. I'm also going to use that color on top of my bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and highlight my nose. I'm going to use just a fluffier version of the brush I used to apply my contour at the bottom of my eye area. This is what I'm going to use to contour my nose. Now, what I can tell you about this eyeshadow palette, this highlight palette, is you do get kickback. Normally, you'd have to kind of let your brush to take care of that, but it's not really bothering me. Okay guys, so here's my final take on the Profusion Cosmetics Contour and Highlight Palette. The palette costs less than $7, and I think that for the price it is very affordable, and the quality that you're getting is not bad at all for the price. I said to you that the colors in this palette is going to be very much on a powdery side. You will get kickback, but I did not really need to use, I didn't need to mist my brush when I was using it, simply because the colors really showed out, and the colors really did perform very well. I only used my facial setting spray for my nose area, and that was just because I wanted my highlight to show a little more on my nose, and as well as my cupid's bow. So these were the only two places where I missed my brush, but you would be fine using this eyeshadow. You would be fine using this contour and highlight palette if you just don't miss the brush. And since this is more of a natural makeup look, I was going for a natural highlight. So obviously if you want a natural highlight, I don't suggest you miss the brush. But if you're looking for a highlight that you really want to show, a blinding highlight, I don't know if it will give you blinding highlight, but if you'd like a blinding highlight, you're gonna have to miss your brush prior to applying these highlighters on your face. So definitely this highlight and contour palette from Profusion Cosmetics, it is indeed Sophy approved. I really did enjoy using this highlight palette. The only downside for me on this highlight palette is the contour shade is not dark enough for me, so it was kind of pointless for me. That was the only one I wasn't really able to use. And also the Hot Fleet color, it didn't really seem very nice for me. I didn't really like it. It was okay, but it wasn't really all that. Again, this palette I paid $5 for it. I paid $4.99 for it at my local Target. Because of the price point and the fact that it does have highlighters in there that actually work, I can't really complain about that, because I mean, you get what you pay for. So I am not going to complain about that. But definitely I was very impressed with the way these highlighters showed up on my face. I really love the natural glow I was able to get using it. And I really love this contour palette, this highlight and contour palette, because you have a couple of colors in here that you could incorporate with your bronzer. And this was basically what I did for this part, and this part. I was able to incorporate the bronze looking colors with my contour and my bronzed areas. So definitely that was something that I really liked about it, and I really liked how easy it was to apply. So if you're looking for an affordable highlight and contour palette, I think that you should really look into getting this palette. It is very affordable, only $5. I don't know if the price changed, but at the time I bought it, guys, it was for $5 at my local Target. So please grab this while supplies last. If you're looking for a highlighter, this highlighter, I think the highlighters in here, it can be used for any skin tone. I don't know about the contour because I can't use that contour color, but I know for a fact that the highlighters you're getting in here, the 5 highlighters you're getting in here, it could be used on almost any skin tone, from all shades, I believe. So definitely this would work for anyone. I know the highlighters would work for anyone of any skin tone, not on the contour side, but if you're looking for a very affordable contour and highlight palette, please pick this one up. It only costs $5, and the packaging is very pretty as well. That's gonna be it for today, Sophias. If you're new to the Madam Sophy channel, welcome, sweetheart. I hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell to be part of the Sophia's Mix. And you gotta be part of the Sophia's Mix because you're a sophisticated lady. That's why. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be you. Don't forget to be amazing. And don't forget to be Sophy. Bye, honeys.